Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to integrate Notion to Jira. So simply in order to do this, first of all you have to log into Notion and the second Jira account, and after that just go to Zapier. So simply I have logged into Zapier. Now here you can see create a Zap account option. Simply just click here. After that when you click here, the new window will appear in few seconds. So here you can see, first of all we will type the Notion here. So here you can see the Notion icon. So simply just click here, and after that choose an event here, and now here you have to click on continue, and in the next just you have to click on this plus button, and now here you have to search for Jira. So simply after that when you search for Jira, so now after that here choose an event, and now in next click on continue. So in this way you can integrate Notion with Jira.